This is a short video on how to find your LCM in a group, out of a group of numbers. We're going to use the numbers 3, 4, and 6. 3, 4, and 6. What you do is you write them down, and basically you do your multiplication tables for each one, and you do it until you come up with a match. And I always usually go down about 5 numbers. So you're going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and you got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and you got 6, 12, 18. As soon as you see a match, you just circle it, and your LCM, which is your least common multiple, is 12. Okay? And basically that is all those numbers right there. As soon as you multiply them out and you come up with a match, the number is going to be 12. Okay? Another way you can find this is by prime factorization, and we're going to use the numbers of 18 and 24. 18 and 24. And you can use either multiplication or division to find your primes, and I personally like to use the division because it's a lot faster. Use your prime numbers that go into these numbers. Okay, as soon as you get a prime number here, you're finished. Okay, here you're going to go again. As soon as you get a prime number down here, you're finished. I got a prime, I'm done. So what I do is I take the number 18 and I list the prime numbers that are here. 2, 3, and 3. Then I do the 24, and I go 2, 2, 2, and 3. And this is where some of the people get messed up on, is you're going to actually use all of these numbers. As soon as you have a group of numbers that match, I have a 2 here and a 2 here, I'm going to circle that and I'm going to list it one time. Okay? And what I like to do is tell 7th graders is cross them out so you don't use them again. Okay? Now I don't have another 2 up here, but I'm still going to use it, and I'm going to end up multiplying these numbers across. So I'm going to use my raised dot to indicate multiplication. And again, cross this out because you just used it. Okay? I have a 2 here, but I don't have a match here, so I'm not circling anything. But I'm going to cross it out, I'm going to multiply it by these 2's. Okay? Now the 3 that's here, I have a match here. I'm going to circle it. I'm going to cross them out because I want to multiply. I'm going to use it down here. And the only one I have left is this 3. I'm going to multiply this as well. Okay? And I'm going to cross it out. So I don't have anything else left. Okay? I used all my numbers, but I did have 2 groups here, a group of 2's and a group of 3's. Okay? I'm going to multiply these out. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72. My LCM for 18 and 24 is 72. This looks like it's a longer way, but if you don't know your 18 table or your 24 table, that's the easiest way to go. Okay? If you wanted to do it the way of multiplication tables, 24 and 18, as soon as you came down with your multiplication tables for 18 and 24, you would end up, your common one would be, the lowest one would be a 72. Okay? It would be in this area somewhere. Okay? I'll give you one more example on how to use your numbers here. Pay attention to this one real quick. And we're just going to use a group of prime numbers. We're going to say our prime numbers were 2, 2, 2, 5, and 7. And we're going to go over here, we're going to go 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, and we'll say that's it right there. Okay. We got a group here. We're going to cross them out, use it once. Okay. We got a group here. We're going to cross them out, use it again. We're going to get a group here. We're going to cross them out. Okay. If you notice that when you have a match, you only list it one time. Okay. Now here we have a 5 that's matching up here. I'm going to cross them out, use it one time down here. Okay. Now I have a 5 and a 7 left over. I have no 5 over here, but I have one down here. I'm going to use it. Okay. And I have a 7 up here with no 7 down here, but I'm still going to use it. Okay. And you multiply these numbers out. Now this is going to be a little bit harder. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 times 5 is 200. And 200. Okay. And 200 times 7 is 1400. Okay, so my LCM for that number is 1,400, okay? Again, this is just using fictitious primes. I don't know what these two numbers are. Basically, I'm just explaining to you on how to use your numbers here, okay? Hopefully that helps you out. And this is a copyrighted video, Heritage Christian School, Coach Estrella, 7th grade math.